The importance of saving seeds has never been seen as more important as it is now. When you have plants that have gone to seed, save those seeds. It's equivalent to going to the grocery store and buying a bunch of stuff that need to be frozen for your dinner at a later date. These seeds are very important to food at a later date. So this gardening season, when you have the opportunity to save your seeds, don't forget it's a very easy thing to do, and it's so important for our future and the future of your meals at dinner time. So now's the time to plant a few chive seeds in with my radishes and see what happens on my indoor grow room. I love chives, and chives are very important because you can just harvest them every couple of days as they grow. You just need some light and some tender loving care for your plants, and you can have chives. And chives, I find chives a delightful thing to grow in my garden because you can add it to scrambled eggs, you can add it to mashed potatoes. Oh, you could sprinkle it on top of baked potatoes. You can bring it in after you've harvested, washed it, dried it very well, chop it up into tiny little pieces and put it in your freezer. What I do is after I've cut it up and put it in my container, I put a little piece of plastic wrap over the top and I push it down. That keeps it from getting ice crystals on top. Oh, it's a wonderful thing. So when you're thinking about what you're going to throw in your garden, sprinkle some chive seeds around. It has so many uses, and it adds so much flavor to anything that you prepare or eat. In times where you might not have all the spices in your cupboard, but if you have chives, it's very forgiving at mealtime. It could be sprinkled over rice. It's just a multitude of different things you can use chives with. Take care, my friends. And don't forget the label, so remember where you planted what. I like to save my seeds in paper bags. They dry out nicely, they never get moldy, and I can easily mark it. And I usually put the plant label in with the dried seeds, so the next season it's time to plant, my label is already prepared and I don't have to search in different totes for the labels that I oftentimes misplace. You know what I'm talking about, don't you? You go, where did I put those labels? Yeah, you probably put them in a place where you said, I'm going to put them here because I won't forget where I put them. Yeah, I don't know how many times I have done that. That's almost my motto. So I've gotten smart last fall when I was saving my seeds and packaging them up for the winter time. I filled out my labels and put it in the bag, the paper bag, with my saved seeds. Oh, chives, please grow bountiful for me, because my spice cabinet is looking pretty bare at the moment. I'm just giving it a little drink of water and let them just do what they naturally do. It's not that difficult. Plants know what to do inside those little seeds. Thank you so much for your visit to Food Time and Garden. Take care, folks. Bye-bye.